the memory of this moment will be one which will come flooding to me to lift my spirit, to give me courage and to keep me going. This once-in-a-lifetime experience will keep coming back to me for as long as time will permit me the kindness to remember. In a few days, I will be going to Canada. And the truth is, if there were a time capsule, I would switch it to 1995 so I could retrace my way back to the AUF, which has been my second home for the last 12 years. I started at AUF in 1995 as Assistant Director of the then Computer Services Center. And then in 1998, I was, at the age of 28, I was appointed as Acting Dean of the College of Computer Studies. After which I went on a merry-go-round as CCS, full-time faculty member, Assistant Dean. Then there will be a new Dean. I will act as College Sec. Then Director of Management Information Systems. And of course, my most favorite position, the Dean of the College of Computer Studies. I must confess that during those times, I had moments of misgiving. I didn't know whether I was on my way out or on the way in. In a curious way, these misgivings became my strengths. I became resolved to wage my private battle with mediocrity. And because the pursuit of mediocrity is almost always successful, I have to constantly discipline myself to be guard against it. At AUF, there is no room for mediocrity. Not with our University Chancellor, or not with the University Chancellor, who exacts excellence at all times. Pwede ko lang sabihin to at hindi talaga ako sumisilsip, sir. Talagang idol ko kayo. Dr. Angeles is a hard taskmaster. He expects everyone to lead an AUF-driven life. I, for one, am grateful that Dr. Angeles did not spare me the rod, or else I would be standing here before you, delivering my valedictory address. What have I done to deserve this tribute? I suppose many of you, my colleagues in the Academic Council or the Council of Deans, many of you have accomplished a lot. Being able to do my little share in the fulfillment of the mission and vision of the university is enough reward for me. The trust given to me by the administration to lead the team, College of Computer Studies, which established AUF as the Center of Excellence in Information Technology Education, the best IT school in Central Luzon, is enough honor for me. Then too, I am also thankful to the administration for nominating me as most outstanding Para-Am member, and fortunately, I was adjudged as the most outstanding Para-Am member in the non-teaching with administrative position category. I would also like to thank them for supporting my involvement in the Commission on Higher Education as one of the members of the technical panel on IT education, as Vice President of the Philippine Society of IT Educators, as one of the consultants of the Philippine Open Source Initiative, and as the founding president of the Council of IT Deans in Region 3. Whatever I have done and accomplished is not mine alone. And so I thank the following who have stood vigil with me. You want thanks? Just kidding. The administration, Dr. Pama, who has been one of the major players in getting that elusive distinction, the Center of Excellence in IT Education. He's always there to guide me and support me, especially every time I have activities in the Commission on Higher Education. Siya lagi yung nag-excuse sa akin. Dr. Nick, hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan, sir. Kasi during my thesis defense, you acted as my driver going to Manila, as my personal assistant. I suppose you brought some of my things, no? Yung laptop. Siya rin po ang nagbayad ng mga pagkain namin for the defense. Sabi ko, siya tolerate ako na to. Pero ayaw pa rin niya. So, sir, hindi ko po makakalimutan. Thank you very much. Kay Ma'am Sylvia. Ayan, si Ma'am, kung 10 beses kaming nagkakatampuhan ni ma'am, 11 times ko naman nararamdaman na kung paano sabi na nararamdaman na mahal niya ako. 11 times naman compared to 10 times na nagkakatampuhan tayo. Para ko siyang nanay actually. Same school with Ma'am Zen. The senior staff, especially the deans and directors, because I am younger than many of them, because most of you are old. I consider them all to be my mothers, si Ma'am Lilia, si Ma'am Sona, my spiritual advisor, Dr. Ling Sanchez, Dr. Manlabas, Mrs. Manlabas, si Ma'am Kayabiab. Pag nawawalan ako ng pera, ang taga-abono si Dr. Bognog. And the rest of the deans and directors who have been very supportive of my plans and programs of the college. Thank you. To my dear staff and faculty members, my dear students, and parents of the College of Computer Studies, they are the moving spirit behind CCS. And of course, I would like to thank my wife, who surprised me. I never expected that she would be here. My inspiration, aside from Dr. Angeles, of course, is my wife and my 2 kids. I especially thank Dr. Emmanuel Y. Angeles for the trust and confidence he has given me. In many ways, I owe the making of Dennis Ramiro Sangalan to Dr. Angeles. Kasi tuloy talaga dahil kay Sir. Yes, sir. Totoo po. Kasi nakaalala ko, sir, kaya hindi rin naman. Palakpak naman kayo. One time, Dr. Angeles approached me. I was not yet a master's degree holder then. And then he told me, Dennis, sige, para maging master's degree ka na, I will give you an honoris causa, Master of Science in IT. Doon tayo sa puno ng mangga. Award. Sir, thank you for inspiring me to reach for the unreachable. It was your driving spirit that has inspired me to dream the impossible dream. My family and I shall forever remember you with fondness. Ever since, sir, I'm proud of this na day one pa lang, up to the last day of my stay here. Talagang very loyal po ako sa inyo at sa administration. Sip-sip na. Hindi ka na tribute. Sip-sip pa rin. As I move on to another phase in my life, I shall be bringing with me the best that AUF has given me. I shall not say goodbye, for this is not a parting of ways. I shall instead request for a moment of silence, so that in this silence of moment, we shall all be united as a family. My beloved friends, thank you for welcoming me into your hearts. Salamat po.